This video I'm going to talk about honeycomb shades. It's one of my favorite products that are on the market today. They're available in sheer, semi-sheer, semi-opaque, and blackout. The blackout has foil infused into the actual product, so no light comes through the blind at all. It's great for bedrooms and theater rooms for making the room completely dark. This product also fits very tight to the sides of the window trim, so there's no gapping if your window's symmetrical. Honeycomb shades are available in single cell, double cell, and triple cell to maximize energy efficiency. They also have lots of cord control options. There's standard string control, cordless lift and lock, cordless, continuous cord loop, and motorization available. All honeycomb shades can be raised from the bottom. You also have the option of making them cafe style, which means that they will lower from the top. You could have lots of natural light coming in through the top of your window and full privacy along the bottom. For your valances up at the top, you can customize them and have them wrapped with fabric, or you can have them color coordinated from our paint selection for the headrail at the top. I'll share with you two of my favorite fabrics, one being light filtering and has a linen look to the fabric, single cell, and the other one being blackout called Radiance. This one here is a gray called Pewter color. All honeycomb shades are also white on the back for curbside and roadside appeal. An extension of the honeycomb product is our Tri-Light shade. This is two shades built into one. It has a sheer component on the top and a honeycomb shade on the bottom. This is a sample of our cordless lift and lock mechanism. At any time, you can have more sheer or less sheer by simply adjusting this rail. If you have questions about any of our honeycomb collection, please feel free to give us a call. We look forward to hearing from you.